Hi everyone, welcome back to Discover and Learn. Today I've come up with yet another interesting topic to speak on. And what you have to do is you have to speak along with me. I'll talk about vocabulary related to the topic. I'll talk about phrases related to the topic. I'll come up with sentences and a small write-up also, or a small script wherein I'll be speaking about on this topic in maximum 8 to 10 sentences. Here what you can do is you can come up with sentences related to the vocabulary. You can come up with sentences related to the phrases. You can speak with me. You can practice English speaking on the script along with me with shadowing. So this is a complete package wherein you will learn to speak English fluently and confidently on a given topic. You can add your ideas, you can add your own sentences also. You can try speaking in 2-3 different ways as well. So in this way, if you take my videos every single day and practice it consistently for 30 days, you will see a lot of difference in your speech, clarity and fluency. So guys, I am a communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. Now let's get straight into the topic. Now today I'm going to talk about a place I want to visit. We always talk about vacation plans, holiday plans, our dream destinations, right? We talk about where do I like to go. We do talk about places that I've heard about Switzerland, I've heard about Kerala, I've heard about Kashmir, I've heard about Paris, etc. And I want to go there. So we do talk about all these things, right? We do watch a lot of travel vlogs as well, and we get an idea of how things are there, and we are really attracted or interested in going there. So that is why every now and then we get on to this topic and we do talk about it. So let's try speaking about this topic in English today in this session. Let's come to the vocabulary first. The first one is destination. The place you plan to go is called destination. Okay. Next is adventure. Exciting experiences, adventure. Culture. Traditions, food and lifestyle of people is called culture. You can make sentences also along with me, right? I'm speaking about the vocabulary and its meaning. You can come up with a sentence also, right? Landmarks. Famous places or monuments. Scenery. Natural views like mountains or beaches. Dream trip. A journey you really wish to take. You want to go for that journey. Okay, that is your dream that you want to do. Memorable. Something you'll always remember. Okay, so these are the vocabularies which we can use to express our ideas or to come up with to speak on this topic. Okay, now let's get to the phrases first. One place I would love to visit is... Now we can fill in the blanks. One place I love to visit is Kerala. Or one place I love to visit is Andaman and Nicobar Islands. Or one place I love to visit is Italy. Whatever you wish. Okay. Next, I've always dreamt of going to. I've always dreamt of going to Paris, Italy, France, Switzerland, Kerala, Lakshadweep, whichever place you want. So these are the phrases which will help you to start speaking on it. Okay. On this topic. The reason is that now you can give a reason to it. Why you want to visit that place. Why you love to visit that place. Or why you want to visit that place. The reason is it's a beautiful place. Right? Or whatever your reason is. Again, for example, you can just quote something there. For example, I've seen this video or I've seen a travel vlog of Lakshadweep and I really want to see that place. You can talk about it in this way as well. Next, what excites me most is. Now you can talk about why you're excited to visit that place. What excites me the most is, probably you can talk about the food, the culture, or the lifestyle of the people, or the scenic beauty, whatever you want. Okay. And the last one is you can conclude. So you can say in conclusion, so and so is my idea. In conclusion, so and so is the reason why I want to visit this place, or this is my dream destination. Okay, so you can conclude in the last line. Now let's come to the script. How we can talk about on this topic, my dream destination or the place I want to visit, right? Today I want to talk about a place I want to visit. One place I would love to visit is Paris. I have always dreamt of seeing the Eiffel Tower and walking along the river Seine. The reason is that Paris is full of culture, history, and beautiful landmarks. For example, the Louvre Museum is home to famous art like the Mona Lisa. What excites me most is the atmosphere of the city, the cafes, the fashion, and the streets. I believe visiting Paris would be a memorable adventure. In conclusion, Paris is my dream destination, and I hope one day I'll have the chance to experience it. Right, so this is how I've taken Paris and I've spoken about it. You take any location, whichever you prefer, and you can talk about it in your own way. Right, if you're talking about a mountain or a beach or a hill station or any other destination, whichever you're talking about. Any historical place also we can talk about, like Jaipur or Mysore city. Whichever place you want to talk about, you can just talk about in that way, right? Or Agra if you want to visit, right? So how we can talk about this? I would love to visit Agra. Agra is a city of monuments, especially Taj Mahal and Agra Fort. I would love to visit these places. I'm very fond of monuments, and I think Agra is the best place I can visit to explore monuments. Apart from that, I would also like to explore its culture, food, and traditions. I also love photography, and I think Agra will be the best destination to explore my passion of photography as well. Okay, so this is how you can talk about your favorite destination or your dream destination in this way as well. So whatever comes to your mind, just come up with a script. Try to think about it in 2-3 different ways and speak about it. It will help you to randomly speak on any topic, to describe anything, whatever your thoughts are, your ideas are. It will help you to describe your thoughts and ideas and feelings in a better way. If you are not able to talk about it in one way, you'll be able to come up with another way to talk about it. So that is why try to use 2 different ways to speak on this topic, right? As I did. I spoke about Paris first and then I spoke about Agra. So in this way, you can also explore your creativity. You can also expand your creativity, your horizon, and you can speak in 2-3 different ways on this. So guys, if you like my videos, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos, do write your comments in the comment section, and do not forget to press the notification icon so that you get all my videos on time, free of cost, and access to all the amazing content on this channel. What you have to do is stay tuned, stay connected, and watch my entire video to master this skill. Bye-bye. Take care.